What's up, guys? It's Max540, and this is a really proud moment in my life because you remember Bo, right? I got him when he was brand new. Well, guess what? Look at that! Look at that! We got another Frenchie. Her name is, we're pretty sure it's gonna be Lulu. Because she's blue and like azul Lulu. So she's brand new, guys, like brand new. Not a newborn, but 8 weeks. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute, guys? Like, look at that. She's so tiny, too. She and Bo have been doing pretty well together. If you guys don't know who Bo is, he's my other dog. She's super soft, guys. Like, super soft. Alright, guys, I was just doing a quick video of Lulu, probably. Bye.